Expecting guests this long weekend, or maybe not expecting them, but you want to be ready? Interior designer Glen Peloso is here to help. And you've made such a cozy space here. Like, I want to stay.
Well, you're welcome to stay. I mean, I'll just get rid of some of this, and it'll turn into a little bed just for you and the cat. The cat will create everybody.
And storage underneath.
Exactly.
And, oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
So this really started because a friend of mine, who moved into a new place, and she said, "Oh, you know, one friend is coming for the weekend," and then my mom said she's coming, and I'm like, "Oh," she's like, "I don't know what to do. Where do I put her, in the office?" I said, "Well, we can remake your office so that it will sort of do double duty."
Okay.
And so we started out with that. And so initially I sort of gave a little card, and I said, you know, this is what it's going to look like. So I showed her what a little bit of art, sort of like his is essentially what you're going to get. This is going to be your sofa, and then here are the colors that we can build around it, and it will stay in this sort of green theme, which is super popular.
So you're not adding anything that you don't need.
Nothing that you don't need, because everything has to do double duty.
Yes.
Some little things like saying, okay, you know, we have a sofa and a chair. Ultimately, the chair, you know, went into another space, but it allows her the ability to also have a bed in that room. And you'd be surprised, like that little chair quickly transforms into a little single bed. So if somebody showed up and you wanted to sort of create
this
space,
chair here.
yeah.
Oh,
so
cool.
it starts out as a chair. That little bit folds out. This all rolls back into that, and then you have a little single bed. Now this can be great if just somebody came for dinner and then couldn't leave, for instance, or you know, they needed to not drive, and so you're like,
okay,
hey, it's fine,
yes,
stay.
I have a chair.
I have a chair.
You can sleep in the chair.
That's right. Which will turn into a bed, and then they will be very impressed that you could do that.
Yeah.
So what I mean, and this was super simple. What I did was I'm like, hey, she was on a budget. She's sort of a new homeowner, so I'm like, hey, we could do this at IKEA. So went on to that site and then pulled all the stuff that was in that sort of green flow, which is sort of a cool thing, and then simply put it together. And because she's downtown and doesn't drive, I'm like, you can like click and collect, and so it actually got delivered to her on it got delivered on a Thursday. She had it all set up ready to go by Saturday. Nobody had any idea that she had created this extra space, and she didn't have to tell her mother that I've actually invited somebody else to stay for the long weekend, and so you can't come. Instead, she could say yes to everybody, and so now the space, you know, goes back to being also her office or the den. It's condos, but at the same time, she's also got this space that is mutable and she can use for anybody, anytime. The other thing that was nice for her was that I said, you know, if it comes up that you want to be able to Airbnb or you want to be able to rent the space, this counts as an extra place for somebody to be able to sleep, even you. So now I wouldn't put you on this table because it's not that comfortable. It's a bit hard.
And I'm a little taller than that.
But what was nice for me was that it was really all in one. Like I brought the palm, and I told her that she had to loan me a bunch of things so that I could do it for the show.
So this poor woman's condo like empty now because of
this one room. I'm like, I need to borrow all that stuff back because I want to put it back together. But essentially, just being able to create a bed and hide that away, being able to have all the sheets and pillows and that kind of stuff, getting a little bit of art that's not super complicated. I mean, this was printed, so just made that, printed it, and it all came at a cost that was like amazingly well priced for what it was that she had to do.
Yes.
I mean, would I say that this is stuff that you should use in your main living room and use it all the time? Maybe not. You might want something that's another quality.
So
but
an occasional chair. Then
it is an occasional chair. Yeah. And it could go in a space that it allows you to use that room for something else, as opposed to.
Think about too, like for kids' rooms. Like a chair like that. So if they have a friend over and they don't have like another bed. Then
it's a great way to be able to have get like a sleepover for kids. Just the fact that you're able to make it do double duty is a nice thing, particularly in a small space. And particularly it's good if you are on a specific budget and you can't necessarily make that work. And because you can sort of surround it with all of the parts that go with it, like that's the rug that comes from that space. And it's a, you know, a cool sort of fun rug.
It looks very purpose-made.
Yes, and like super durable, and so it's something that you can sort of throw together without having to spend a ton of time, like, okay, now I need to go and shop and really think about this, and so because we're friends and I did it for free, it was easy to sort of say, hey, I can help you do this reasonably quickly, and I can do it from a computer, and you can just get it, pay for it, like have it delivered, install it.
Everybody needs an interior designer friend.
Yes.
I'm glad you're mine.
No, absolutely.
Okay. We'll get your links up on our website. Great ideas here at chch.com/morninglive. Stay cozy.